iTrust Home Services, Residential Electrical. At iTrust Home Services, we pride ourselves in providing superior quality, reliable service, and guaranteed satisfaction. That's why our electrical work is always done by one of our Georgia licensed master electricians, ensuring safety, code compliance, and client satisfaction. Our electricians are up to date with the latest in cutting-edge technologies, saving time and providing value for years to come. We offer a full suite of residential electrical services ranging from new outlet installation and smart lighting all the way to backup generator installations. Our specialties include installing electric vehicle chargers, generators, landscape lighting, smart lighting, and whole home surge protection. Electrical work for whole home remodels, panel upgrades, and circuit troubleshooting and repair. And we carry full general liability and workers' comp insurance, providing our clients with the protection they deserve. It's your home. Invest in it with iTrust Home Services. For more information, visit our website at itrusthomeservices.com.